If you suffer from chronic pain, you might think there's nothing you can do, but that is not the case. It's FDA approved, it's painless, and it's right here in Wilmington. It's laser healing therapy, and today on Your Hometown, we're going to learn all about it. So we're inside laser healing therapy, and I've got Barry Boyce here, who started this business not that long ago, and he was telling me a story that I want him to share with all of you before we get to what he actually does and how he can help you. Hi Barry, thanks for having me.
Nice to have you, Randy.
So you were telling me you came to this very interesting, I think that your testimony on this really says a lot about how great this therapy is and how much everybody at home will want to learn about it and maybe come try it.
Yes, about 3 years ago I had a degenerated disc in my lower back. I'd had arthritis in both thumbs for 30 years. I was in a car wreck and I couldn't turn my neck but so far. I found out about this technology and signed up for the treatments. As I was being treated, I was absolutely amazed at what it was doing as the pain level was decreasing. So I wanted to see, is it having the same effect on everyone else in the waiting room? Well, if my appointment was 11, I'd go in the waiting room at 9 a.m. and I would sit and talk. Well, everybody that's in pain, we share our stories. And we were on the same treatment schedules. So you got to know people and what their issues were.
Right.
So I got across the board. Some people it was back issues, some people it was migraines, some sciatica nerve issues.
And then you discovered laser healing therapy. Tell us about that.
The technology has been around about 30 to 40 years and practiced primarily in Asia and Europe. But the equipment has been vastly improved.
So this is all safe, and if anybody's in pain, this is something they can come to that's just like anything else they would do to get rid of their pain, right? FDA has said it's okay.
Absolutely. Their terminology specifically is non-significant risk. Now what that means in plain English is there are no known adverse side effects. So this laser is painless, it's non-invasive, and has no adverse side effects.
Okay, I think you sold me already, but I can't wait to see it. Will you show it to me?
Sure.
All right. Can you really be cured of your chronic pain by a laser? And you have a couple of little things that make it real, don't you?
Absolutely. It's been used around the world for about 30 to 40 years. And in June of 2014, Randy, a little place up north called Hanover Medical School.
Yeah, just a little school nobody's ever heard of.
I think a few people have. They have documented this type of laser actually regenerates new tissue.
That's amazing.
And it does that by actually triggering your own immune system.
That's amazing. And it's also backed up by Lloyd's of London, you were telling me.
Yeah, that's our insurance carrier because they've used this type of technology for the last 20 years as a primary way to treat chronic pain.
So that is a couple of good ways to know that what he's talking about is for real, because a lot of people go straight to surgery when they think that that's the only option for pain. So
Exactly.
You're saying this is something that can be done instead of surgery.
This is proven alternative. This is a proven alternative method. It's highly successful. To give you an example, the Department of Defense and the VA kicked in $23 million to do continued research.
Wow.
They're really interested from a standpoint that I can heal a wound in half the time.
I can't think of anything better than that to prove this technology.
Yeah.
Well, listen, I appreciate you spending some time with me today. If people are interested, where can they find you?
We're at 1602 Harbor Drive.
That's right near the hospital, right almost across the street from the hospital, off of 17th Street Extension in Wilmington. 17th Street in Wilmington, right?
Yeah, we're 2 blocks down. You can go on our website, laserhealingtherapy.com.
That's right, and find you on Facebook.
Yes.
All right, thanks so much for having us here today. Remember, if you've got chronic pain, this is the first place you need to check out. Thanks so much for joining both of us today. I'm Randy Alderidge for Your Hometown.